Mr. Deshna Chatterjee, our parents, our teachers, and my friends, we welcome you to our first ever Cambridge Assembly. We are proud to say that today's special assembly has been planned and executed by the grade 8 Cambridge students with the blessings and good wishes of our wonderful teachers. What is friendship other than the harmony of all things divine and human with goodwill and affection? Friendship improves happiness and abates misery by the doubling of our joy and the dividing of our grief. To celebrate this beautiful thought, we are celebrating the International Day of Friendship today. India has a tradition of friendship from times immemorial. We have all heard the stories of the legendary friendship between Krishna and Sudama. Friendship knows no boundaries of caste, color, language, and culture. Today, we celebrate this most beautiful part of our lives through music and drama. Friendship brings great joy and fun to our lives. And this is showcased in our first presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you, friends are angels. I saw a kid from my class walking home from school. His name was Kyle. It looked like he was carrying all of his books. I thought to myself, why would anyone bring home all his books on a Friday? He must really be weird. I had quite a weekend planned, parties and a football game with my friends tomorrow afternoon. So I shrugged my shoulders and went on. As I was walking, I saw a bunch of kids running towards him. They ran at him, knocking all his books out of his arms and tripping him so he landed in the dirt. His glasses went flying and I saw them land on the ground. He looked up and I saw the terrible sadness in his eyes. My heart went out to him. So I walked towards him and as he crawled around looking for his glasses, I saw a tear in his eye. As I handed him his glasses, I said, "Those guys are crazy." He looked at me and said, "Hey, thanks." There was a big smile on his face. It was one of those smiles that showed real gratitude. I helped him pick up his books and asked him where he lived. As it turned out, he lived near me. So I asked him why I had never seen him before. He had joined our school recently. We spent weekends together, and the more I got to know Kyle, the more I liked him. And my friends thought the same of him. Over the next 4 years, Kyle and I became best friends. We played football together, studied together, shared our sorrows and joys. Finally, it was our graduation day. I saw Kyle. He looked great. Today was one of those days. I could see that he was nervous about his speech. So I smacked him on the back and said, "Hey big guy, you'll be great." He looked at me with one of those looks, the really grateful one, and smiled. "Thanks," he said.
Graduation is a time to thank those who helped you through those tough years. I am here to tell all of you that being a friend to someone is the best gift that you can give to them. I'm going to tell you a story. When I go back to the day when I met my friend Abhishek, I have tried to kill myself over that weekend. I have cleaned all my locker so my mom wouldn't have to do it again. I have carried all my stuff to home. Thankfully, I was safe. My friend saved me from doing this unspeakable.
I heard the gas go through the crowd as this handsome popular boy told us all about his weakest moment. Never underestimate the power of your actions. With one small gesture, you can change a person's life, for better or for worse. God puts us all in each other's lives to impact one another in some way. Look for God in others.
Friends are people who help us fly when our wings don't remember how to fly. There are no beginnings or endings. Yesterday was history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift.
Thank you. Dear parents and teachers,
We hope you enjoyed the wonderful performance. Taking it forward, we now present to you two timeless hits that truly celebrate the joys of friendship. The first one is an English composition, Lean On. The theme of this song is that no matter what one is doing in life, he or she should always have a friend whom they can always rely on. The song makes you wonder if the friends of today will be the friends of tomorrow. And will they be as supportive and reliable as they always were? The next song is a popular Hindi number, that is Yaro Dosti. This song celebrates the most valuable relationship of friends. It equates having good friends to living a great life. This song brings back memories of all the special days of your life and special moments spent with friends. It touches the heart and is an all-time favorite among friends.
Check it out. Check. Check the bell.
Raman from grade 8 and finding it a privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks for the first Cambridge Assembly. How was the experience today, parents?
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thanks for the feedback. Of course, this program would not have been possible without the blessings of mentors whom I would like to thank. First and foremost, I must mention a deep sense of appreciation for Sudeshna ma'am and Amrita ma'am for envisioning the first Cambridge Assembly with all our dear parents. A big thank you to Jude sir for his guidance and guidance. Aisha ma'am and Sunita ma'am for all the help and coordination to make this event a well-oiled machine. My sincere thanks to all the teachers who have been supporting us all the time. I would like to express my gratitude to Alicia and Ashley for helping us with the song. Furthermore, I thank all the parents who have come here and made this event even more special. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my friends who have been showing great enthusiasm, teamwork and rigor to make this a success today. Thank you.
This morning, you don't know how special that is for us. All through the early days of CIE here, when I was trying to convince people why CIE and why Cambridge and why all of that, it was very difficult because these are non-tangibles, abstract thoughts. So maybe today your engagement with the kind of work your children are doing and the kind of thoughts and feelings that they are eliciting in us and in themselves and in their juniors may give you a good idea of the path that we are walking down, the end of all the physics, chemistry, biology and all the other subjects and English. We want to make them wonderful human beings, compassionate, good friends. All through this morning's assembly, I was wondering why yellow was the color of friendship. I've never thought about it. I have sent yellow roses to people and sometimes, I had to give yellow roses to gentlemen who came to school and they landed up with pink roses and I had no choice but to hand it to them and say, I'm sorry they didn't get the yellow roses, never mind, just take it. So it's happened. So dear children, all that you did this morning made me remember two things. One was Wordsworth's Field of Daffodils, yellow as ever, and as for miles and miles, all you can see is the golden hue of the daffodils. Couldn't be something more beautiful in the world than that. And the sunflower, which is also yellow, and turns its face towards the sun, which is yellow in color, and is the epitome of hope. So friendship is all about hope, I think. So that's the enlightening thought that came into my mind this morning. Maybe that's why someone thought that the color of friendship should be yellow. I wish you all the best, dear children. God bless you. It's been an absolute pleasure being here this morning. I know our kids are immensely talented. And you saw that. They know practically everything. Dance and music and song and skit and tabla and all of that. Parents, please do keep coming. Ms. Amrita and I keep saying that any opportunity that we get for you to just come and see what your children are doing will then answer that question that you had at the beginning, what's the big difference, So we'd like you to be engaged with your children in their learning. If you have suggestions, we're open to it. But in this little space that your children are growing very, very sensitively through these years, any way that you can be, partners with us, we'd be immensely grateful to you. Now, on behalf of all of us, we give a